Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Good Vibes. Dahil nga may celebrate tayo ng birthday natin. So tara, pasok tayo. Ayan. So eto guys. So may tatlong room. Yung medyo maliit, tapos yung medyo malaki. Tapos sa atin yung pinakamalaki. So, pina-customize guys nila yung yung decoration according dun sa team mo. So, at team natin for tonight is black and gold. So, ito yung design ng backdrop natin. So, mamaya dito tayo mag-picture. And guys, ito ginawa din na tayo ng parang invitation pictures natin. So, pasok tayo. Yeah.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Napakatulog yung bisita. So, ito yung place nila, guys. Siyempre, hindi mabubuo ang birthday occasion kung walang food catering, of course. Ang food natin ay galing sa Breads by Mimi. So,
Happy birthday!